you see the ball coming?
Sorry, I was checking the time. I have to be home by 2 o'clock.
But we're still playing soccer!
I know, but today Cherry Bouncer is reuniting long-lost friends who never got to say goodbye on his talk show. Bye!
Well, I guess that's the end of our soccer game.
Yep, I guess so.
I hope Vaz doesn't have to leave in the middle of soccer practice again.
Me too. He's supposed to bring our after-practice snack today.
Hey, guys!
Hi, Vaz!
Hi, Vaz.
Did you see our new satellite dish on the roof?
Wow!
Cool! We can get over 632 different TV channels. Isn't that cool? Last night I watched 12 shows on 12 different channels.
That's a lot of TV watching. You must be ready to play some soccer.
Sure. But first, there's a show I want to watch on the Learn and Know channel called Building Your Own Geodesic Dome.
You said you were going to practice with us today.
You're in charge of bringing after-practice snacks.
And after practice, we're going to the library to start on our White House project for school.
I know, and I'm going to do all of that, I promise, right after the show. See ya!
This is so unfair. I'm starving.
Vaz promised he'd be here in time to bring the snacks.
So where is he?
I'm going home.
Wait! Aren't you gonna stick around and try one of my super-duper noodle doodle sandwiches?
Your what?
It's a tasty little dish I learned to make on Cooking with Gassy on the Food Fair channel. You start with the bread, baked to perfection. Add a little sauce, a few noodles, some cheese, some hamburger. Put on the top slice of bread. Ta-da! A perfect super-duper noodle doodle sandwich.
Looks interesting.
I've never seen anything like it. Almost looks good enough to eat.
Almost, but not quite.
Cooking with Gassy is a great show. I watch it every night, right after... Oh my gosh! Right after the 3-hour block of incredible Polyester Man cartoons! And I've already missed the first half hour. I have to go!
You just got here! And we're going to the library to start on our White House project, remember?
All right. I'll meet you there, right after Polyester Man. Bye!
I can't believe Vaz isn't here yet. He loves doing these kind of projects. He doesn't like doing anything anymore except watching TV.
Sorry, guys. I was watching this great show on the Couch Potato channel, and I had to see the end. Did I miss anything?
We were just reading about the White House. We have to learn everything we can about it so it'll look just perfect when we build it.
Okay, but I can only stay for an hour. The Stars of Pop channel is showing the New Boys in the Alley video at 5 o'clock today.
Oh, I'd love to see that.
I'd like to see that too.
Let's get busy and do some reading, and then maybe we can all go to Vaz's house and watch.
Great, let's get busy.
That New Boys in the Alley video we saw on TV yesterday was great.
It was very cool. They're showing it again today.
Maybe that's why Vaz is late. Maybe he's watching it again.
You know, I really love watching TV. But it seems like Vaz has stopped doing everything else now.
I know. This morning I asked him to go bike riding with me, and he said he had to watch Captain Larry's Clubhouse.
Well, I hope he shows up soon. He's supposed to bring the white paint. And you can't have a White House without white paint.
Cool. I didn't know we got the channel. A whole channel all about the other channels.
Wow, It seems like Vaz hardly ever comes outside anymore. Hey, maybe if I start playing, he'll come out and join me. Well, that didn't work, but there's got to be some way to get Vaz to come outside. Hey, look at that. It's the white paint for the White House project. Maybe if Vaz sees the paint can, he'll remember that he was going to help work on the project today. I don't think he can hear me. I'll have to bark louder. Ow!
Clifford is singing.
He's good.
Good and loud.
Hey, what's wrong with the TV? It's not supposed to do that. The satellite dish is brand new. Oh no!
Uh-oh. Hey, come back! Gotcha! There, good as new.
What's going on? What's wrong with my satellite dish? Clifford? Is that you? Oh, hiya, Clifford. Does Emily Elizabeth know you're here? Emily Elizabeth. Oh no! I'm supposed to be at Emily Elizabeth's house today to help with the White House project.
Woof!
Everyone's counting on me to bring the paint, and I'm really late. Could you give me a ride, please, Clifford? I've got to try and make it up to everyone.
Woof!
Well, it looks pretty good.
It's not too bad. It looks terrible. You can't have a White House that isn't white. Vaz really let us down.
Woof, 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 woof.
Here comes Clifford!
Hi, guys. Gosh, I hope you're not gonna turn our project in like that.
Huh?
You can't have a White House that isn't white. Here, let's use this.
Oh, got it!
I'm really sorry I was so late today, guys.
Well, we're glad you're here now.
I was watching TV and I just lost track of time.
You're always watching TV.
I am?
It must be cool having all those channels to watch, but it seems like you've forgotten about all the other cool things there are to do.
I remember the summer I got my first pair of roller skates, and all I did was skate. I didn't read books or play board games or visit my friends. I missed out on a lot of good stuff that summer.
I remember that too. And I think I see what you mean. Too much of anything, even a good thing, is just too much. From now on, I'm only going to watch my really favorite TV shows.
Wacka-wacka-doo!
Woof!
So let's get busy and paint this house white.
Let's get busy!
And when we're done, we can all go play flopper ball in the park.
Flopper what?
Flopper ball. It's really fun. I'll teach it to you.
Where'd you learn to play that game? On the Flopper Ball channel?
Nope. I read about it in a magazine.
Cool.
Right!
Woof, 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 woof.
Clifford! It's story time! You want to hear a Speckle story, don't you?
Woof, woof.
I thought so. He's your favorite. story is Speckle and the Best Medicine. When Speckle's friend Reba didn't feel well, she had to spend the day in bed, and she was very lonely. Until her friends came to visit. Speckle brought Reba some delicious homemade carrot soup. Luna brought crayons and coloring books so that Reba could draw while she rested. Ravi and Darnell told jokes and made silly faces, making Reba laugh and smile. Soon she was feeling much better. And the gang wondered, was it because of the soup, the crayons, the silly faces? And Reba said everything was wonderful, but what she liked most was having her friends come to visit her. They were the best medicine of all. The end. That was a great story. Isn't reading fun?
Woof.
Cyber puppy problems. This is so exciting. I just love my birthday. Which present should I open next? This one is from my grandparents. Isn't it big? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, this is just exactly what I wanted!
What is it, Jetta?
It's a Cybo Pet! The most amazing electronic dog ever invented. Oh, I'm gonna name it Cybo.
What does Cybo do, Jetta?
Whatever you tell her to do, it's so amazing. Watch. Cybo, sit. Cybo, roll over. Now give me a big hug, Cybo. Oh, I just love my Cybo pet. No, Mackie, don't touch. Cybo is very special, and I don't want him to get broken. Time for cake and ice cream, everyone. Come on, Cybo. Come on, boy. Come on, Mac.
I can't believe how much Jetta loves that new Cybo Pet thing. I know it's impossible to believe, but I think she actually loves that thing more than she loves me.
I don't think you have anything to worry about, Mac.
Me neither. After all, Cybo isn't real. He's just a toy. Whoa!
Jetta is crazy about him. It's all she talks about.
Don't you think you might be exaggerating just a little, Mac?
Not a bit. Come and see for yourself. Look at that.
And this Cybo Pet is the best birthday present I've ever gotten. Watch. Get the crayon, Cybo. Now sharpen it. Now draw me a picture.
Did you see that? That dog can do everything. No wonder she's so crazy about him.
absolutely amazing dog in the world.
Guys, I've made an important decision. It's time I show Jetta that Cybo's not the most amazing dog in the world. I am.
Good for you.
Hey, Mackie, what's the matter? Oh, I see. You want a yummy tummy yummy, don't ya? Well, okay, just one. Okay, one more tummy yummy. Now go on, Mackie, go play.
Wow, Mac, Jetta gave you 2 tummy yummies.
Yes, well, she was pretty impressed with my tricks.
She sure was.
Of course, I'm not surprised. I think everything's going to be okay after all.
Ah, my paper! Somebody grab it! Thank you, Cybo. You always do just what I tell you to. And I don't even have to give you a tummy yummy. Come on, Cybo.
She really does like Cybo better than me.
She didn't say that, Mac.
But that's what she meant. I don't feel much like playing anymore, guys. Maybe I'll see you tomorrow.
Poor Mac. He really thinks Jetta likes that toy better than she likes him.
Oh, I just love Sandy and her good dog, Sam. It's my favorite TV show. I'm gonna go and get us some popcorn while we watch.
Sam, I'm home. Come here. Come on, come to Sandy. Oh, sit, boy, sit. You need to go outside and take a long walk. Go on, go outside. Take a long walk.
Hey, where's he going? I don't understand why Jetta thinks he's so great. I can do anything he can do.
Whoa! Look at that! What's going on, Mac?
I'm not sure. I think Cybo is doing an errand or something for Jetta.
So what are you doing?
I'm going to help. I want Jetta to see that anything Cybo can do, I can do too.
Of course you can.
We're right behind you, Mac.
Thank you, guys.
Special free paper, today only. Free paper. Take one, please. Well, I did tell him to take it.
Go.
There you go, little guy. Oh, wait! The paper is free, not the newsstand.
Whoa!
Emily Elizabeth, have you seen Cybo? No, Jetta, I haven't. He never goes anywhere unless I tell him to. I'll help you look for him if you want.
Thanks. Maybe he went into town or something.
Looks like Cybo is headed for the end of the ferry dock.
Whoa!
Ooh.
Whoa!
Sorry, Mac, but I'm not following Cybo off the end of the ferry dock.
Me neither.
Look, Mac, there's Jetta.
Great! Now's my chance to show Jetta that I can do anything Cybo can do. I've got to follow him.
I don't know, Mac. I think Jetta's trying to tell Cybo to stop before he falls off the dock.
Maybe Cybo can't swim.
Whoa, Jetta really loves Cybo. She'd really be upset if something happened to him. I've got to go stop him for Jetta.
Mac, stop! Let go of Cybo!
Uh-oh.
Oh, my poor baby. Oh, my sweet Mackie Wacky. I am so proud of you for trying to keep Cybo from going in the water. But Cybo is just a toy. I can always get another toy. But there's only one Mac, and I love you. Mackie.
Clifford and his friends love to play games, and everyone likes to be the star. But sometimes it's better to work together than to try and win the game alone. I got it!
Guys, I think we're doing something wrong here. Maybe we should try working together.
Good idea, Clifford.